Next two problems I'm going to do are also from your packet, and they are ones where you're solving for a side. Right here in this one, the side that we're solving for, number 38, is x. That's what I need to find. So again, I focus on the angle that's labeled, and that's 49. This x side is my adjacent leg, and this long diagonal across from my right angle is my hypotenuse. A and h is cosine. If you remember from SOHCAHTOA, I'll write that up here. Slide this down then. A and H is definitely cosine. I am not doing inverse because I'm not solving for an angle. I know what the angle is. So I'm actually just going to write the abbreviation of cosine, which is cos, the angle, equals, and I know what it equals here. It's this fraction that this side was labeled x, because that's your adjacent, and this one was 13. A over h. How I solve this is anytime I can have a fraction equaling a fraction, I'll put this side over 1, and then my brain thinks cross multiply. On your TI calculators, the angle needs to be in parentheses. So if you go to your calculator and type in cosine 49 times 13, I'm going to do that on mine, cos, my angle was 49. Make sure I close that, times 13. I get 8 point, I'm going to make that 53, because instead of keeping it 52, I'm going to make it 53, because there's an 8, so 8.53 equals, and then x times 1, well, that's easy, it's just 1x or x, and I'm done. I like when the x ends up being on top for a problem. Next one I would like to look at would be, let's say, number 47. If I look at 47, same thing. Here's my angle. This looks like my opposite leg, and this looks like my adjacent leg that either has a number or a letter on it. Again, only ever use two sides. O and A makes me think tangent. I am not solving for an angle, so I'm not putting the -1. I'm going to actually write an equation with an equal sign. So tan of 15 degrees, I'll put that in parentheses, equals opposite OA for SOHCAHTOA. Opposite over adjacent would be 16 over x. Put this over 1. Now I'm going to cross multiply. 16 times 1, you can do either diagonal, first or second, does not matter, is 16, equals tan 15 times x would be whatever the tangent of 15 is, whatever that ratio is, times x. Oh, well, I'm not done here. This one takes an extra step. I'm solving for x, so I need to get rid of what's in front of it, which is times tan 15. So I'm going to divide by the tangent of 15 on both sides. Then I will simply type that in my calculator. 16 divided by tan 15. X is 59.71. That's how long that side would be. Thank you.